Hello everybody, I want to show you this video. You can insert the battery at a Canon 200D or SL2. So for that you turn the camera like this, and on the bottom you will find the battery cover. So to open a battery cover you use your fingernail, you go like this here on the top and now flip it down. So flip it down like this and remove it a bit up, and then you can open the battery cover. So then you insert the battery like this, so the Canon side is on the side of the lens and the contacts are below. So move that gray thing a bit with the battery and insert it like that until this gray thing flips back to fix the battery. And then just close it, and then this button here is lightning red to show us, okay, I'm ready for. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with this, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.